Hi, my name is Griff Rhys Jones, and I'm just going to read a poem to you now, which I rather like. I'm sorry that it is a little long, but I might edit as we go along. It's by a guy called Paul Den, who's a screenwriter, amongst other things, and it's called Alternative Endings to an Unwritten Ballad. So we have to sort of imagine the ballad that's gone before. And this is the final verse, or these verses are the final verse of several different ballads. I stole through the dungeons while everyone slept, till I came to the cage where the monster was kept. There, locked in the arms of a giant baboon, rigid and smiling, lay Mrs. Ravoon. I climbed the clock tower in the first morning sun, and 'twas midday at least ere my journey was done. But the clock never sounded the last stroke of noon, for there, from the clapper, swung Mrs. Ravoon. I hauled in the line, and I took my first look at the half-eaten horror that hung from the hook I had dragged from the depths of the limpid lagoon, the luminous body of Mrs. Ravoon. I fled in the storm through lightning and thunder, and there, as a flash split the darkness asunder, chewing a rat's tail and mumbling a rune, mad in the moat squatted Mrs. Ravoon. I stood by the waters, so green and so thick, and I stirred of the scum with my old withered stick, when there rose through the ooze, like a monstrous balloon, the bloated cadaver of Mrs. Ravoon. Facing the fens, I looked back from the shore, where all had been empty a moment before, and there, by the light of the Lincolnshire moon, immense, on the marshes, stood Mrs. Ravoon.